everybody. My name is Bonnie. Welcome to the BonnieWork channel. My goal is to help you maintain and increase your good health so you can feel good in your body and pass it on to the other good people in your life. Today, I wanted to talk about the healing presence. The most important thing in doing massage therapy is to have a healing presence. If this is not present, then the person you're working with will not be able to relax, their trust won't be there, and no matter how good your technique is, it's not going to work. They won't shut down, and it's not a conscious thing. You know those people who walk into the room and you just automatically relax and feel better already before they do anything. That is healing presence. Anybody can develop and practice healing presence. It has a lot to do with mindfulness and truly being here. Letting all of the chaos and drama of your life take a back seat. Get under control. It's still there, but you're not playing it right now. You are truly here in the moment, just being with the person that you're working with. So therapeutic presence can be practiced and it can be developed. One of the ways we're going to do right now is to meld your hands together. So take your hands together and feel one hand with the other. Be right here with your hands. Are your hands warm? Are they cool? Are they relaxed? Are they tight? What do you feel? So this is an amazing exercise because you can actually feel and receive. You can give and receive at the same time with both hands. It's kind of a mind boggler. But when we're first learning therapeutic presence, our mind goes all over the place and keeps wanting to think of other things than what we're actually doing. So you can increase pressure, bring yourself back, bring yourself into your hands, move those hands around, get from the hand into the wrist, into the elbow, into the shoulder. Feel how far that goes. Feel how far you can feel into the other hand, into the other arm, into the other shoulder. Notice what else you feel. Is the movement creaky? Is it smooth? Is it easy? Is it difficult? This is kind of on a safe level because it's just you. You're not working with another person. But you might get a little bored or complacent because you're just working with yourself. So this is a wonderful place to start. Notice what you can do, how your hands can dance, how they can work with each other. Yes, great. Now take your hands away from each other and notice what you feel in your hands now. Now that they're not with the other hand. What do you feel? Do you feel warmth? Do you feel tingling? Do you feel the absence or the presence of the other hand? Face the hands toward each other and see if you can feel an energy between them. See if you can notice what they're doing, what they're sending, what they're receiving. And now, this is the last thing we're going to do. Put your hands around your head. Feel the energy of the hands around the head. So you want your head to be able to feel what the hands are sending and receiving. And this is actually a wonderful headache remedy. You might have to lie down if your neck is really tight, but this is so helpful. We have an energy field. It's documented. Our bodies have an energy field. So this isn't any crazy woo-woo weird stuff, all right? This is just what we already are. And we're not messing around with anything. We're playing with a healing presence, a healing touch. Move the hands around to your face. See if you can feel the energy in your face. See if you can feel parts of your face relaxing or warm or cool, or texture or softness. And go back of the head. Wonderful. All right. Thank you very much for joining in with me. I appreciate you. I hope to see you again in the next massage video. Take care.